We want to write down the inequality represented by the shaded region. Here we have the line y is equal to 1. We have the region above this line, and since the line is solid, including it, so its y is greater than or equal to 1. We want to write down the inequality represented by the shaded region. We need to identify the lines. This dashed line is y is equal to 1/2. Note it is a dashed line. This line here is the line y equals minus 2.5, and this line is solid. We want this region in between, above this line and below this line. Therefore we have y is greater than or equal to minus 2.5, greater than or equal to because of the solid line. We also have that y is less than 1/2, less than because of the dashed line.